As in all beginnings of any painting, it's all going to be initially about getting correct proportion. If we rush too fast to go to the painting stage without getting proportion first, then it doesn't matter how good your colours are, it's still not going to be as good a painting as it could be. I'm going to come in with just French ultramarine first, see how we begin with this. My very first mark is going to be where the top is, where the absolute top of this bottle is here. You can see what I'm doing. It's literally just putting a bit of a value in there. I do like to flit when I'm doing this. I don't like to focus on one particular area. And the beauty of doing a stain as an imprimatur or a line with an imprimatur stain, it's fairly easy to rub out or erase, I should say. The fabric folds actually are going to help us a great deal. So I quite like the idea of getting some of the fabric in place at an early stage. What is light, you put in as light. What is dark, you put in as dark. You're getting to grips with the shapes, the reflections, the lights and darks. You're familiarizing yourself with the image that you're going to be painting. I think if you're painting and you're looking at the clock, you're doing a 9 to 5, you're X number of hours. Let's say you got 10 hours to make a painting, then obviously you don't want to be spending too much on each stage. But if you're learning, well, it doesn't matter if you take 10 hours or 50. It matters that you enjoy it. And so that's why I'm saying it's nice that this stage I really enjoy, because it's a way of getting in and just having some fun. See how far you can push the image. Let's say drawing an imprimatur as opposed to drawing in charcoal is much easier. An imprimatur, or a stain on the canvas, I should say, because you can keep changing it. What I mean by that, it's a bit like a colour. If you haven't got any colour on your brush, you don't know if it's too light or too dark. But if you have an angle, you put an angle in and it's clearly wrong, then helps you see the correct line. It's a good start. And we now have an opportunity to adjust this, tweak it, make it even better. And then we know where to put the colours, which is the important part, which is the reason why we do this.